Hello and welcome back to the course. In this section, we're going to start talking about CFDs. So in this video, I'm going to describe what they are. One of the greatest things about Forex trading and Forex brokers is that they will quite often offer other markets beyond just currencies. They do this by offering a CFD or contract for difference. This is a flexible contract in which you are placing a trade in anticipation of prices moving in an underlying instrument. However, unlike other financial instruments, you don't actually own the underlying asset. For example, if you wanted to trade the wheat market, which is typically traded in the futures market, the biggest issue that many retail traders will face is that it takes a significant amount of margin to trade that futures contract. Beyond that, futures contracts have a set size. So if you wish to trade a odd amount, for example, due to your account size, it's a bit difficult to do as you really don't have a choice. It is a set amount of bushels. However, with the CFD market, you have the ability to trade in as little or as large of a position as you choose while not worrying about how many bushels that contract is in that example. CFDs are found around the world and are covering a plethora of instruments. They can be commodities, stocks, bonds, and indices. For example, you could choose to trade the DAX and place your trade with a broker, close out the trade when you are done, and you either keep the difference between the opening value and closing value, or you have that difference subtracted from your account. This offers a very convenient way to trade other markets and can be a great way to play the global correlations that we see these days. The most common CFDs are going to be gold, silver, and oil. You can see I have an hourly silver chart. I can switch over here to British pound, US dollar, pound yen, and the like. So that gives you the ability to trade various markets with correlations. So, for example, the Australian dollar and gold. So that gives you that bit of benefit. CFDs are regulated differently depending on the country that you are trading in. Some countries allow them, some don't. Most do, but the United States is an exception. For example, they are not possible to trade in the U.S. But you can see here, and there are plenty of brokers out there that offer these different instruments. You can see that 330 Forex pairs, and that is a lot, but indices, 90% or 90 plus indices, commodities, 110, shares, and these are shares and companies, 9,000 at this particular broker. There are numerous brokers out there that offer CFD trading, so look around. If you can find markets that you wish to trade on a regular basis, it's a great way to do it because it gives you the world at your fingertips, if you will. A very popular way to trade around the world.